My name is Joe Caslin. I'm a street artist and an activist. Some of my most famous work would be number one, the Claddagh Embrace. So that was a large drawing that took place on Dame Street for the marriage equality referendum. So the piece here on Townsend Street, so we're right at the back of Pearse Street Garda Station. The piece is called Scene. The piece speaks on maybe two kind of big themes. What it is to be a survivor of war, to be here as a war migrant, or a war refugee, and then what it is to be trans. So both, kind of communities currently at war, one physically and maybe, well, not that the other side isn't physical at times. It's a project that I undertook with the Irish Red Cross. Last year it was the 10-year anniversary of marriage equality, so I wanted to take on a drawing that it wasn't just a replica of what I did 10 years ago. So I wanted to look at what was important within our queer community and what needed to be spoken about. The artwork is 50 feet tall. It is a young man as he pulls out arrows that are being shot into different parts of his body. He has collected them in a clutch at one side, but he's looking at you defiant, going, I've survived this. You can sling as much as you want that's at me. And there's a defiance in, being able to overcome that, but also in visibility. And that was an important part of the project, that, kind of young trans bodies are seen as, kind of seen and celebrated within the city. We're going into Pride now this weekend. There's a lot of, kind of flag waving, and that's great. We have taken some remarkable steps, but in other cases we haven't. So this is to kind of maybe not push back, but also to show that, kind of trans people have been here. They've been here, from the start of time. And it's just to showcase those people, those experiences, those bodies, and to celebrate them as valued members of our community.